The word sombrero is derived from the Spanish sombra, which means shade. The expansive brim of these Mexican hats is designed to cast a wide shadow over the face, neck, and shoulders. Fancier sombreros are made of felt. Regular ones are woven out of straw. This workshop makes traditional straw sombreros in many styles. This model's called a Winston. This one, an Americano. Here's the Speedy, after the cartoon mouse Speedy Gonzales. And the Cassidy. These sombreros are handcrafted. The straw is white palm leaves, purchased from a supplier in the region. First, workers soak a bunch of palm leaves in water for a minute or so to soften them up. Then, using a needle, they tear strips about a ½ centimeter wide. They take 3 strips at a time and braid them together into a single strand. They intertwine several braided strands, making a long braided straw rope. Then they feed this rope into a manually operated press. The press flattens the rope until it's just about a millimeter thick. This flattening makes the coarse rope soft enough to sew. With the raw material prep work done, hat construction can begin. They take the rope and wind it in concentric circles, sewing one circle to the next. They first make a flat base, then turn the base on its side and keep sewing until they've formed the cup, the part of the sombrero that sits on the head. They place the cup over a form to check the size. Then they resume sewing on more straw rope, working outward now to form the hat's brim. Brim width varies by style. They measure to make sure it's the correct size. Once the sombrero is finished, they boil water, pour in gelatin, stir until it's completely dissolved, then soak the hat for about a minute. The gelatin penetrates the straw fibers. Then they hang the sombrero out to dry in the sun for about 3 hours. The workshop has a steel mold for each sombrero style it produces. Workers place the sombrero on the appropriate one in a hot press, then close the press for 3 minutes. The heat and pressure combined form the straw to the mold's shape. The heat also hardens the gelatin, locking in the shape permanently. Many sombreros have a decorative band encircling the base of the cup. This band, called a scarf, is handcrafted, typically out of leather, or like this one, out of maguey, a fiber from the stalk of a tropical plant native to Mexico. A few dabs of glue hold the scarf in place. Once a sombrero is finished, the workshop tags it with a certificate stating the model and serial number. Sombrero shapes can vary significantly, but they all share a common characteristic, a wide brim to protect from the blazing sun. Certain models have an extra feature, a cord or leather drawstring, so the hat doesn't fly away in windy weather.